do is we look at recipes that are designed for participants, and we make sure that they're easy to follow, the ingredients are available, and you're not, as a participant, you're not going to get left hung out to dry going, I don't know how to do this. We're here for you every single step. And, draw on us, ask us about what you want to know. If you've got a question that you've been burning to ask about food, you have access to us. Go for it. The world is more than just your oyster.
Yeah, that's amazing. Yeah, definitely. I think this is you're spot on, because it's exactly the access and the possibility to have this kind of opportunity to interact, talk, show, and learn directly from a chef is definitely one of the visions. It's the vision and what we want to offer in ChefPassport.
I'm an only child, so I grew up with a very close relationship to my parents, but my mum was actually more or less taught to cook by her mum, who was a chef actually here in England. And my nan had this amazing passion for food, one hell of a sweet tooth, but she was curious about all sorts of food. When I was a child, we would talk about food for hours. Her love of baking is legend between me and my cousins. Yeah. My dad's side of the family, they grew up on a budget. So my gran had to cook family meals that were nutritious, tasty, and that kids would eat. It's the ultimate test.